Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Erica L, and tonight I'm packing for a work trip. I have my little suitcase here ready. I'm trying on outfits for a speaking engagement that I need to do. Presenting to about 21 people on a session that I made. So want to show up looking professional, approachable, and it's not that formal. So yeah, want to check out some different shoes with the look that I have on tonight. So yeah, it's like fall is approaching here, and so I'm really feeling into wearing like browns. This kind of skirt just gives fall vibes to me. Has kind of like a plaid, black and brown and taupe kind of plaid. And this top is just a beige sort of plain one that I like to wear underneath like a blazer or something. And then I'm wearing these Manzi. They're like a cool gray 15 Den pantyhose. And yeah, I like them because they look a little bit different than like a black, and it doesn't look like brown. You can tell that it's just a little bit different and has a bit of a cooler tone to it. So yeah, I've been liking wearing these lately. And so yeah, I'm gonna try two different boots. Now that fall's coming too, I'm kind of in the mood to wear like a boot. So I'll try these ones first. These are Guess. They have like a zip up along the side. They're lace up, even though the laces don't really do anything. It's kind of just for show. And probably like a 3-inch heel and a chunky one. So these are pretty comfortable to be wearing for like the course of a whole day. Even with like a lot of standing involved, these ones are really not too bad. And yeah, these Manzi pantyhose, they do have like a little control top. And so they go right up until like around my belly button. They're pretty comfortable. They have like a control top that goes up to me like around here. And yeah, I like that this gray provides kind of like a medium tone. It's not too dark, not too light, and I think it's just like a nice kind of shadowy effect that it creates. I really like. What else can I say? Yeah, I also have this blazer from Kotn. Kotn. I haven't actually had the opportunity to wear this very much yet. Just move this a little bit. But yeah, they make like they use like sustainable fabric and like non-toxic fabric. So this blazer I got from a sale that they had. So this is my presentation outfit for a company that's a nonprofit. So it's like a little bit on the casual side, but still want to look a little bit dressed up, a little bit professional, and yeah, look a little bit of a boss. So I do like it with these shoes. I just have one other pair, a little bit more of like a simpler pair. These are just suede These are just suede booties. They just are a bit stretchy around the ankle. They have also like a chunky, approximately 3-inch heel. And these ones are also just like really comfy, but look nice. And now that fall's coming, I just want to wear boots. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this little trip. Sometimes a business trip can be fun. I am a little bit nervous about the presentation. I always get a little bit nervous, but yeah, I feel pretty good about the content because I wrote all of it. And so I think it should go well. So this is the second version. I would say these boots with this outfit are, it's like just, how can I say? It just looks a little neater, maybe a tiny bit more preppy. These Guess boots are a little bit grungy, a little bit moto girl, kind of motorcycle-esque boots. And so it gives sort of more of a grungy look. Whereas these are just sort of like clean cut, pretty plain. Yeah, these pantyhose provide just like a really nice amount of coverage. So, curious what you think. I almost feel like these might be a little bit too plain, and I like the little bit of personality and flavor that these ones bring. So, yeah, so thanks for trying on some pre-presentation outfits with me. I really appreciate you being here and enjoying my channel with me. I better get back to packing. Thanks for your help, and let me know what you think of this look in the comments, and if there's any other content you'd like to see. So yeah, thanks y'all for being here. Love y'all. Check out my Patreon, yo.